I believe you were impressed with all these benefits, vitamins from kale and orange. Now I will teach you how to make a powerful liquid to renew and improve your body's functioning and enjoy all the vitamins present in these foods. Materials that we will use to make the natural liquid invigorating. 1 cabbage leaf. 3 oranges. 1 jar. 1 strainer. 1 knife. 1 blender. Now, let's prepare our powerful natural cabbage liquid with orange to reactivate the health and energy of our body. Before we prepare, wash the food with water well. Preparation mode. First, cut and remove the stem, leaving only the cabbage leaf. Second, squeeze the orange to extract the juice. Now, let's mix the ingredients to turn them into the powerful invigorating liquid for our health. Place the cabbage leaf in the blender along with the orange juice and beat for 3 minutes, until a homogeneous liquid. If you want, pass the liquid through a sieve to leave only the juice, or it can be consumed as soon as crushed in the blender. Ready, you can drink and enjoy all the vitamins, benefits of this wonderful and amazing cabbage juice with orange, will invigorate your body, helping in the proper functioning, and can contribute to weight reduction. See in the description of this video the recipe for juice and products to help in weight loss and improve your quality of life. Subscribe to the channel to receive more videos and enjoy a healthy life. Until the next video.